So now we are at the booth B1005, and standing next to me is the representative from the company here. Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you. So now I would like to pass my mic to you, and the audience, they are waiting for you now. So yeah, we are expecting your introduction.
Hi, I'm Luca. I'm the Vice President of AitalMAC. Welcome to our booth. Please follow me so that I can show you our products. Today, here at the Xiamen fair, we have bring our networking system of machines. We start from our saw jet. Here you can, the machine can cut 5-axis saw jet. It's a 5-axis water jet. This is our own design, and it can do the miter and all for the new material, the porcelain and all the sintered stone, very hard material. It is a direct drive pump that is designed by us, and it has a closed loop feedback from the pump so that the pressure is controlled and always you have the proper pressure at the water jet. Then we also, the machine can cut with the blade, and we can do perfect mitering because we also have laser to scan in the surface, or the probe to probe the surface of the stone so that we can always accurately make miter. With this system that we have bring here, we have these are still separate machines and they can work individually, but we have the robot which can integrate the machine together. It can load the slabs onto the machines. And once the cutting machine have finished cutting, it can deliver the parts to the flipping system, because you need to work polish up when you cut, but we need to do polish down when we're finishing, when we do the edging. So the machine can pick up the parts and move them to the back, which now you will see. And the robot already knows that it needs to pick up the next part, so it comes over. We have a flipping system, which is very simple. It will pick up the part high above the table, and it will flip it upside down. That one now is flipping, and it will sit it again on the table, and then the robot will come and pick up the parts. All this system is a network of machines. They can still work separate, so each individual machine is still a traditional machine from us, and you don't have to buy the whole line at once, but you can always just buy one machine and extend it in the future. And what we're showcasing here is only 2 machines, but the network can be extended with more and more machines. This rail for the robot can be extended more, and you can add more machines. So investing in us is also help you for your future, for improving your company productivity. Now you can see that the robot picks up the parts and moves it to this machine. This one is our CNC machine. Excuse me.
Sorry.
It's okay. Here the robot will deliver the parts, and we have our own vacuum system. Each vacuum is controlled independently, so and it will raise up to pick, and it will suck down the part to lock it in place. This machine is a routing machine, so it's one of our CNC router. It has automatic tool change, so it's going to pick up the different tooling and shaping the stone.
Like to guide us further?
Yes, we can see. I can showcase. We have a showcasing for our.
Just follow it.
Yes. Follow these. This is our CNC. We have bring here at the show to showcase our technology. We use this system to control our machines, and is our own design. Our CNC, and it is very powerful. It can control all of these within 1 millisecond. We can control 160 input and output, but we can extend this. And we have up to 27 axes, but here on display is 9 axes controlled independently. And you can see that we have complete control over all of the components, or all of the motors and all of the components at the machine at the same time. Everything within 1 millisecond. And we also have bring our own motors. This year we have bring our own motor. This is for edge polishing, because we never find in the market something suitable for the stone market. So we build our own, and we provide for other machine makers. And we have for the blade, for the saw blade, a very powerful motor. And then we also have ISO 40 motor with the automatic tool change that we can offer, and we have it here on display. It's okay. Then we go to the end. Yes.
This is the picture of the machine, right?
Yes. This another of our machines is the one that we have on display, but we also have other products that if you're interested, you can visit our website, AitalMAC.com, where you can find all of our products. And I'm so happy to have the chance to come to the Xiamen show. We have been visiting for 20 years, and we have been exposing for about 10, and we hope to see you next year as well.
Okay. So it's kind of in future future expectation, right?
Yeah.
So hope to see each other next year as well. And thank you for sharing, Luca. And I think the audience now, they know more or have a further understanding of our company information, and also your own amazing designs and also invention. So audience in front of the camera or in the live streaming channel, if you are interested and if you are in Xiamen right now, you can always come to the booth number B1015 and pay a visit. Otherwise, you can click or you can visit our online platform, which is Cloud Xiamen Stone Fair, and just enter the company name or booth number. Then you find any more information about the company here. So thank you, Luca. Thank you. Have a nice day. Nice to meet you.